Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Came in the heart of Chongqing and just got a room here. Let's put the camera out the window to see. There's a bunch of temples down there, so I was just gonna show you that. And yeah, lots of tall buildings everywhere in Chongqing. It'll be pretty. I just booked for 3 nights because it looks like it's gonna be a pretty cool city. Okay, so it's pretty cool. So actually, my hotel is this big thing. It's a Meters Banway, and it's kind of like this. Way up there, you can see it. Way up there, there's a ton of hotel rooms. So it's really hard to find. I didn't think I'd be able to find it at all. So we're basically on a walking street, and we're gonna try to find something to eat. I'm starving. Okay, so we got some noodles, some this, and that, and I think this is all this right here. And then I think you're gonna sit over there and eat. Let's see if we can find a place. So yeah, you eat along this one right here. But there's no seats right now. I would love to eat some noodles from this place. That looks really, really tasty. Let's just see if we can get some noodles here. Okay, so we're going to be eating on this bench right here. On this wall. Spicy? Not so spicy. Okay, look at all this spiciness. Man, all this food looks so good. It looks so different than what I'm used to. Peppers in there. This is kind of a bigger mix. That looks really good right there to me. That looks really good. I like that kind of soup. There's dumplings up there. Man, Sichuan food is really, really great. Let's just take a look. Yeah, you got little peppers everywhere, little spiced peppers. So it looks fantastic. You got those little seeds right there. Looks good. Looks good. Sushi. And the food is looks great here. So let's walk around and explore and see what's all here. This looks like some desserts. And come on and check out the street. I'm gonna walk directly to this thing called Brazil Roasting. It's also one where people can drive on. It looks like it's not purely pedestrian. It's gonna be hard to cross. Yeah, they also don't want you to go across, do they? Let's go see what this Brazil roasting is. Okay. That looks really tasty. Brazil roasting. Okay. Big department store. This is like kind of a culinary city. All these people waiting. All right. Yeah, some really good stuff here. But yeah, it's pretty crowded though. The trike. Oh, this is all cheese fruit cakes, eh? Oh, durian.
有，这里菜单可以看一下。
It's all durian right here. Choose fruitcake. And keep on exploring. Yeah, pretty cool city, Sichuan. Let's kind of run across here. Okay, let's see what some of this stuff is. This one looks like they're making man, you can just explore all this cuisine in this area. So much food, so much. This might be the best Chinese food I've had in China by far. I can see why Sichuan food is so well known. So, okay. Pretty cool looking shop too. This is inside this little food court here. It's like really beautiful decoration. So let me just see. Oh, it's like looks like a kind of bookshop kind of thing. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. And there's another one. This also has these little things right there. Kind of reminds me a lot of Korea. Korea always had these things too. So now we're kind of going into a neighborhood, it looks like. So we're just gonna walk around. So it looks like there's a bunch of people over here. Looks like they're eating in here. I don't know what this is. Oh, they're doing mahjong in here. I think it's all mahjong tables. I think these are all, oh yeah, they're all doing mahjong in here. Pretty cool. So yeah, this is a little mahjong place. I don't want to film because I don't know if the city is kind of cool. It has like a lot of cool stuff. So this is chair kind of randomly sitting there. Why there? Why that spot? More people over here playing mahjong or something. Construction. Lots of apartments. Wow, look at all the people over here playing mahjong too. It's basically, oh, they're all drinking tea or playing mahjong. Wow. Like a whole little courtyard off of this apartment complex. That's really cool. I don't know if you can see it, but there's also a cat on the balcony right there. There's a cat on the balcony. Tons of people playing mahjong, which I could zoom in so you could watch some of their faces and watch the expressions. Oh, this guy down here, he's doing like a little foot cleaning massage thing. Right there. She's cleaning the toes, giving a manicure. Man, that's so cool. Everything's just out on the street, so I really like that a lot. This city is, I like it. Kind of feel like I'm in like a whole other part of China because the food is different, and yeah, it's pretty lively. Let's see what I can find. Let's see what else I can find. We're gonna walk down this. This is kind of just a typical street scene. Just people kind of everywhere. Looks like they got some. I don't know what game that is. A lot of people playing cards. But yeah, I actually got these kind of leafy trees. And they got tons of shops that just kind of sell all kinds of random household good stuff. Very practical. Hey, the city feels working, hard workers, working class, hard working people, kind of selling everything. So I don't know, we'll see. We'll keep exploring and see what else we can see in the city. So far it looks pretty cool though. Kind of everything goes out on the sidewalks, so people hang out all day. Let's see. All right. This is kind of a fruit one, but also I just wanted to show there's a building over there that's like bright colors. And somewhere in Chongqing there's this kind of art area, so I'm gonna try to find it later, but just arrived. But anyways, we're gonna keep exploring. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but straight down here there's a river right there, and then you can see the mountains and you can see some skyscrapers. So so basically the way that we are, it kind of goes like so we're basically like in a little peninsula, and we're gonna keep walking, but we're kind of in a peninsula, and on both sides there's water. On both sides a big river comes through. It's kind of like Three Rivers, Pittsburgh, with a big peninsula in the middle, and we're on this big peninsula right now, so you got some pretty amazing views. So we're gonna try to catch some more if we can. Chiquinha, chiquinha.